Today, we time travel Barcelona through its buildings.
First stop, the city's Roman bones.
Barcino, Barcelona's ancient start.
These blocks have watched 2,000 years go by.
Roman strength, Gothic ambition, stacked in one view.
Hidden inside the old city.
4 columns, still standing.
You can feel the time in the grooves.
Now, into the medieval maze. Plaza del Rey, royal shadows everywhere. Even the lamps feel historic.
This is the Gothic heart.
So much detail, it feels endless.
Pointed arches, built to soar.
Follow the signs, if you can find them.
This arch feels like a portal.
Look up, always look up here.
The maze is the point. A different Gothic, cleaner, calmer.
Strong, without shouting.
Midday heat. Stone keeps it cool.
Architecture is also how people live.
Quick bite. Quick packer. Pa amb tomaquet.
Gracias.
Gracias. Always say it, gracias.
From churches to power.
Stones that run a city.
Flags tell stories too. And suddenly, energy.
This boulevard is Barcelona breathing.
Look past the crowds up there.
Repeating columns, instant calm. Squares are architecture for people.
Okay, time to jump centuries forward.
Next, the Modernisme boom.
From maze to grid, Eixample.
These corners were made for light and air.
Now the stage for bold facades.
One block, so many competing visions.
Next door feels like a fairy tale palace.
Same city, completely different language.
Even the sidewalk is designed.
Barcelona hides art under your feet.
La Pedrera, stone turned into waves.
Ironwork, like tangled seaweed.
No straight lines, on purpose.
Our next giant.
Let's chase it.
It appears like a mirage.
The unfinished icon, Sagrada Familia.
Stone turned into a storybook. It's built to pull your eyes upward.
Gaudi thought in nature's geometry.
Inside feels like a forest. The light moves like music.
No columns, just trunks and branches.
This is why people call it a miracle.
Same building, new mood every minute.
Next layer, the hill of imagination.
Coastline.
Cool ceramic, warm sun.
Bones to sunset spires. One city, many centuries.
Night changes the architecture again.
Next, the city's modern edge.
We're jumping forward a century.
Different scale, different tempo.
Torre Glorias, Barcelona's neon heartbeat.
Light becomes the facade.
Modern Barcelona still loves spectacle.
Same purpose, new technology.
Gracias. Architecture tour, powered by snacks.
Okay, back to the streets. Back to the streets.
Next stop, the hill above it all.
Montjuic, where the city becomes a panorama.
This place was built to impress.
Public space is architecture too.
Architecture,
Yeah.
From up here,
The grid finally makes sense.
A city drawn with a ruler.
Now let's end where the city eats.
This is the real Barcelona soundtrack.
Watch the hands, everything moves fast.
It makes the city feel softer.
We've walked Roman walls to LED towers.
Same Barcelona, different centuries.
My favorite souvenir is the shapes.
The city is above you, always.
At night, the Gothic Quarter feels older.
Some doors shouldn't be rushed.
Gothic is made for shadows.
Written in stone, glass, and light.
See you in the next one.
Catalonia when I'm proper. Architecture is also how we move through it.
Curves keep coming back.
One last rewind. Back to the oldest streets.
Daylight shows details you miss at night.
Street names here feel handcrafted.
Roman base. Gothic lift. Modernism dreams. Modern glow.
Same stones.
It's layers that never stop.
From Barcino to now, still unmistakably Barcelona.
I think I finally learned the city.
Comment your favorite era, Roman, Gothic, or Gaudi.
See you next journey.
The street itself is an open-air gallery.
Color that never gets old.
Shadows as decoration.
Old stone still feels alive.
The doors are now closing. The next station is Central Station. Please stand clear.
Until the next city.